Hey there, I'm Bola from Binance, and today I'm here to introduce you to the Binance VIP program. Unlock exclusive VIP privileges that make trading and investing way more rewarding. Imagine lower fees, personalized perks, priority support, and even unique VIP-only experiences, all designed to elevate your crypto journey. Whether you're a spot trader, futures trader, or a long-term holder, becoming a Binance VIP can take your crypto experience to the next level. Let's dive right in. So, what is the Binance VIP program? Binance VIP is a tiered program designed for users operating at higher levels of activity across trading, loaning, and asset holdings with rewards for individual or corporate VIPs. In this video, we'll focus on inspiring individual VIPs like you, helping you understand how to join and what perks await. The Binance VIP program is designed as a tiered system, starting from VIP 1 and going up through higher levels like VIP 2, VIP 3, and beyond. Each level represents a higher degree of trading activity, asset holdings, or engagement within the Binance ecosystem. As you move up the tiers, you unlock progressively greater benefits and privileges tailored to your trading and investing profile, which I will explain in more detail later. Why become a Binance VIP? When you become a Binance VIP, you unlock exclusive benefits that make every trade and investment more rewarding and seamless. First and foremost, as a Binance VIP, you'll enjoy significantly lower fees. Imagine cutting your spot trading fees by up to 80%. And if you hold BNB, you unlock even deeper discounts, maximizing your savings every step of the way. And when it comes to support, Binance VIPs never wait in line. You get dedicated priority customer service 24/7 with immediate access to a live human agent. As you progress through VIP levels, you may also receive your very own dedicated VIP account manager, providing personalized assistance tailored to your needs. On top of this, VIP members gain exclusive access to VIP-only insights and experiences, including deep dive market research, unique product updates, and invitations to private industry events and campaigns. These opportunities connect you directly with Binance experts, fellow VIPs, and even our leadership team, helping you stay ahead and expand your network. Other benefits like bespoke solutions, higher trading limits, specialized onboarding, and exclusive VIP swag are available as you progress higher up the VIP program, designed to enhance your experience as you scale your trading and investing journey. So, how do you become a Binance VIP? Firstly, your VIP level updates daily at midnight UTC based on your activity and holdings over the past 30 days. When you meet the requirements, your VIP status and associated benefits will be activated the very next day. Here's a simple breakdown of how to qualify, focusing on the most common individual VIP paths. Please note that the specific qualification values shared here reflect the criteria at the time this video was created. These numbers may change over time. For the most up-to-date requirements and details, please refer to the Binance VIP portal on web or My VIP mini app within your Binance app. Now, one of the most common ways to join our VIP program is through trading or holding assets with us. If you're an active trader, becoming a trader VIP means you've reached substantial trading volumes over a 30-day period, combined with holding a minimum amount of BNB on average each day. For spot traders, This means completing a total spot trading volume of at least $1 million within the past 30 days to achieve VIP 1 status. This volume includes not only traditional spot trades, but also margin trading and Binance Convert transactions. Alongside this trading activity, you'll need to maintain an average daily holding of 5 or more BNB tokens in your wallet. For futures traders, the threshold is higher to reflect the nature of leverage trading. You'll need to have traded at least $5 million in futures contracts over the last 30 days to achieve VIP 1 status. This futures volume accounts for both USDS margin futures and coin margined futures contracts. Similar to spot traders, an average daily holding of 5 or more BNB is required. Meeting these requirements demonstrates a consistent level of engagement and liquidity, qualifying you for the benefits available to trader VIP levels. You would continue to rise up in VIP levels the higher your contribution amounts. To find out more about this, check out the VIP criteria table via the link in the description box of this video. If your focus is more on holding assets or investing through subscription products, Binance has combined these into a simple, comprehensive holder program. Instead of looking at trading volumes, this program evaluates your asset balances and investment activities to determine your VIP status. To qualify under the holder program, Binance calculates your average net asset amount, USD, which represents the higher of your 30-day average net assets and your previous day's net assets. This figure reflects your overall holdings and investments, including assets spread across your spot, funding, futures, earn, and alpha accounts, plus the BNB tokens you hold. For detailed requirements and thresholds by VIP level, please refer to the official VIP tiers and criteria table here or via the link in the description box of this video. This approach rewards long-term commitment and asset accumulation, giving you access to VIP privileges based on the strength and consistency of your holdings and investments. Beyond trading and holding, Binance offers other pathways to earn VIP status based on how you engage with our broader ecosystem. For example, by leveraging our crypto or VIP loan services, you can qualify as a borrower VIP. Similarly, if you use our over-the-counter OTC trading services and maintain at least 5 BNB tokens as a daily average, you can become an OTC VIP. And if most of your trading happens outside of Binance, on other exchanges, brokers, or platforms, don't worry. You can still join the Binance VIP community through our invitation program. For users who primarily trade on other platforms, there's even an invitation program. Submit proof of your 30-day trading volume elsewhere, and you can receive a VIP +1 level upgrade for 2 months without any BNB holding required. Now, here's another reason why you should join us. Introducing the VIP Rising Star Program. We're excited to introduce the VIP Rising Star Program, specially created to recognize and support high potential users like you on your journey towards becoming a full Binance VIP. If you maintain a 30-day average net asset balance of $30,000 or more, including at least 5 BNB, you become eligible for this exclusive title. It's designed for engaged and growing holders who haven't yet unlocked the full VIP benefits, but are well on their way. As a VIP Rising Star, you'll gain access to curated events and exclusive opportunities that help accelerate your progression to full Binance VIP status, all while rewarding you along the way. Here's how you can monitor your VIP status. To keep it all organized and easy to manage, Binance provides dedicated VIP hubs, both in the app called My VIP and on the VIP portal if you're on the web. To access the VIP hub on the Binance app, make sure you're in the Binance Pro and not Binance Lite. On the homepage, tap here and search for VIP. You can find the VIP hub here under the Functions category. If you're already a VIP, you can simply access the VIP hub directly through the shortcuts for quick and easy navigation. In the VIP hub, you can track your VIP status, monitor your fee discounts, view your benefits, and access advanced analytics and reporting tools designed just for you. And that's a wrap. Becoming a Binance VIP isn't just for big institutions. It's tailored for individual traders and investors like you who are ready to grow their crypto journey with exclusive perks and powerful support. Ready to unlock your VIP benefits? Start trading, hold BNB, or grow your portfolio today, and watch your VIP status soar. Thanks for watching, and we welcome you to the Binance VIP community anytime. See you next time.